So we have set up our Canon Pixima printer right here. This has been installed from the technician from Canon. So this is the output tray and this is the input tray. This is where we can do the scanning and Xerox photocopies. So the papers are laid on here. And this is where the black and white ink is filled and the color ink has been filled out in the tanks. So whenever the colors are coming down below this line, we have to refill them with a new bottle. So this is how the bottles actually looks like. So this part will be filled with ink once we start the printer. So let's try printing one of the pages. I'm just putting it down here. So I'm going to print this document now. So I'm going to give print now. Now I'm going to print in color for the first 10 pages. So these are the printouts that I have taken. You can see the color is really good and it's sharp. So once done, you can keep it again in a lay flat position inside this area so that the papers will not bend. And we can close all these things. So I think you got a pretty much idea about the Canon printer that I have purchased. So I would like to tell you guys the pros and cons of this particular printer. So this is a Canon ink tank printer. Which means that all the color inks will be filled in separate tanks, so that suppose if the cyan color, yellow color or magenta color is running out, you can fill that particular color as per the usage. And this printer needs to be used very often, very frequently. In case if you don't have if you don't have so much to print, please go for a different printer. A normal inkjet printer or a laser printer would do, but this ink tank printer needs to be printed at least once in a week. Daily usage of the printer keeps the printer very healthy, otherwise the nozzles will be dried up, so that it is always recommended to use this printer frequently. So why I chose this printer is because I definitely will have a lot of printing activities, so that is the reason why I have chosen this printer. Because for introducing flashcards to Shradhu, I really wanted a printer, because every time I cannot go to shop and take the printouts, so it is very much delaying. So that is the reason why I bought a printer for home use itself. And you might feel the cost is little bit higher on the side, because it's around 13,000 when I bought it. So you might think it is very costly, but when we consider the number of prints that they promise to take, it is like you can take around 6,000 copies of black and white images, and you can take 7,000 copies of color printouts. So it is a very economical option in the long run. So suppose if you're going for a printer which is in a mid budget range like 5,000 or something, I could see that a color ink could take only 100 copies of color printouts, which means if the ink bottles, if the ink cartridge is priced at 700 rupees or 800 rupees, you can take only 100 prints from that, which means each print will cost you 8 rupees or 7 rupees, which is again equal to the shop's price. So this particular printer is promising 7,000 color prints in one ink cartridge and 6,000 black and white prints. So I think in the long run, if you have a lot of work on lot of printouts to take, you can go with this printer. Thank you so much for watching, guys.